Hey there, I'm going to go through this video, explain to you what is needed for your ePortfolio, how to go about and create your ePortfolio. So you have this here. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to work with you individually on this. So first and foremost is the template. This template is going to be provided to you by the school. So it's going to simply look just like this. I'll show you what you need to write in though. Okay, so instead of saying your name, it's just going to say teacher ePortfolio right here. So just highlight that, go ahead and type your name in there. Then down here it's going to say courses teaching, and it's just going to be blank after this. You simply need to type in the courses that you are teaching. So for me, Social Studies grade 9, World History grade 10, SL, HL, IB History grade 11. Simply put in the courses that you are teaching for this year, 2019-2020 school year, right in there, and that's going to be it for your homepage. Then click up here where it says 2019-2020 and click on CV. Right through here, again, this is going to be pre-made for you. You don't have to worry about that. There's going to be a link that says education, and there's going to be another one that says experience. Here you simply type the education that you have, where you've got it from, and whatnot. So for me, University of Mary 2016 Bachelor's of Science in Social Studies Education. You're going to have it right there. Any additional degrees you might have, make sure you add those on here in education. Down here is your work experience as an educator. So how many years have you taught? Where you taught at, that stuff like right through here, simply putting that in on this. That is going to be it. It's not going to be a CV like you would use when you're applying for a job. It's simply your education and your experience in teaching. Professional goals, you're going to go right through here. So then again, this is going to be pre-made for you. Right through here, it's just going to be a blank box that's going to say professional goals. So all you need to do is copy and paste your goals that you had pre-made in your tripod. Okay, so you got your pre-assigned goals, just like these three for me, or these two for me right here. You're going to copy and paste them over, oops, wrong one. You're going to copy and paste them right on into here, and then your goals will be already in here. So we've worked on these already. You simply have to copy and paste them on over here. That is going to be it for your professional goals. Next, schedule and roster. So teacher schedule and class roster, this is going to be already up here sized for you. If you want to modify it or anything, you don't like the way it looks, feel free to do something like that. Right here is going to be insert image here. So the school will send you an email with your roster. It's going to be as an image, a JPEG image. You simply need to go over here to images, click upload images, and then it's going to pop up right through here. Okay, so you're going to have your images and stuff pop up. You upload the image of your roster, it'll pop up right through in here. Now to show you how to do this one, okay, for your class or your schedule right here, your roster is going to be here. So what you need to do is you need to first click insert link. Then you need to go over to your Google Drive. Now, IT department has already uploaded all of your rosters for your Google Drive for you. You simply click on the file right through here, and then all your courses that you were teaching this school year, the rosters are going to be uploaded here. So for example, okay, say I'm going to do IBSL. I'm going to right click on that one, click get a shareable link. After I do that, I'm going to go back to my ePortfolio. Right here where it says link, I'm going to paste that in here. And then I'm going to title it the name of my course. This one I'm just going to title sample, simply because it's my sample and I've already got these other ones uploaded. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to have that. When I'm ready for the next one, I just click enter, do the same thing, insert link, go back to Google Drive, again, get shareable link, back over here, paste it, and I'm going to write sample once again so you know what's going on, just like this. You're going to continue to do that for all of the courses that you are uploading, all the rosters that you're uploading for the courses you teach. Next, we're going to go to curriculum and Atlas. So we've already spent a lot of time on Atlas, uploading a bunch of stuff to Atlas. You're not going to have to do that twice. It's going to be linked directly over to Atlas, which is going to make your life a lot easier. So what you're going to do is right down here, you're going to have a text box. You're simply going to go into the same thing. Click here, insert link right through here. Then you're going to go to your Atlas homepage. So your Atlas homepage is going to look like this. Click browse and wait till it loads. Come on, there we go. Then you can go here. It's going to stay under unit calendars. You're going to search it by your course. So for me, I'm in high school. I'm going to look for, let's look at grade 9, and I want to look at grade 9 social studies for the current school year. Is going to be default. I'm going to click browse. It's going to take you right through here. So I go ahead and I find my course, I click on it just like this, and it's going to take you to to this page. Okay, so as what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste that over into here, just like before, link, and you're going to title it the name of your course. So I'm going to do this one sample once again, just so I know that, and click apply. Now, all you need to do is you do that for every single course that you teach. Okay, I would recommend adding a different text box for each. You certainly don't have to though. Just text box if you would like to do that. You have a new text box here. If you want to get rid of it, you can delete it off. That's going to be up to you to do though. So what will happen is the school will create a sample Atlas or an Atlas account for any visitors from the ministry or anyone else from people who will be looking at our curriculums and stuff to use. So everything we put on Atlas, we simply need to put on Atlas. Just copy the link over to Atlas right through here. So again, you go to browse, you click on here, going back through, filter this for your subject. You're going to click on the one you're doing then, okay, and then you'll copy and paste that link over. Lastly is a sample of student work right through here and the sample of student assessment. IT is currently working on this to make sure that it is private so that students are not able to access this. So more information will come on that for now. That is going to be all for this video. If you have any questions or comments, you have anything you'd like me to help you with, please feel free to reach out to me. My email, matthew.larson@bayonschools.edu.bh. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Pop into my room, 209. I'll be happy to help you on this one. I hope that made sense. I hope I didn't speak too fast. Good luck.